Hey everyone, Allison here. We finally got a really nice day today. It's about 60 degrees, so we're gonna go out there and work. But I got some seeds. I've been meaning to show you from Baker's Creek. I'll leave a link down below to show, in case you want to check them out. But see if I can do this without putting it over the edge. Because of what I ordered, they did give me a couple of things. Let's move over here where I can put them down. But I got some free seeds, and these are the grande jalapenos. That is so exciting. And then I got some free dill seeds. But I had ordered a thing of dill, and then I ordered some elephant dill. I love the elephant dill. But I got some of the Mexican sour gherkins. Thought I would try them this year because last year I didn't get them. Got some mini bell peppers. These ones I thought was really cool. This is the dragon's eggs, cucumbers. So I thought I'd try that this year. Some grape gooseberries. Some Chinese 5 colored. These are some hot peppers. Some hot lemon drop peppers. I believe these are sweet. The Pardiscum alacu sargas. You know what? Can't even pronounce that. Anyhow, I believe these are sweet. Yeah, these aren't hot. And same with these. I believe the miras are sweet as well. And then I got some of these wild chilies, the chiltepin. I don't know. They're supposed to be super spicy. The pequino, I believe is how you pronounce it. I don't know. Got some of those. And then the shishitos. And then for my daughter, thought it would be fun for her, this little itty bitty tomato plant. I thought she would have fun with that. And then, of course, I've got myself some scalloped squash. So, I'm going to put these with the rest because I'm going to be planting some more seeds. And then I've got my greenhouse I'm going to start working on. So,